The oil that is accused most of causing heart diseases and all other bad health effects is actually not the most dangerous oil. Yes, the saturated fats, all this animal fat oil, the butters, the margarine that you eat, it's truly dangerous and can contribute to some of these non-communicable diseases. But then, an overly used cooking oil, one that is burnt or used for cooking for over 3-4 times, is actually one of the biggest cause of non-communicable diseases, such as diabetes, cancer, and also heart diseases. Look, the more you use the oil over and over again, it undergoes a process called oxidation, and this oxidation usually results into production of some compounds called aldehydes. Now, the more you use this oil repeatedly, the more it releases the aldehydes. And now the problem here is, what do these aldehydes actually do in your body? Once you take them in, they start causing inflammations, and they also become carcinogenic in your body, meaning they can result into cancer, in some cancers in your body. Now, while you're blaming other oils like saturated fats that people use as the spread, the butter that is used for spread in bread and all other breakfast foods that you people enjoy, there's a silent killer that you people are not actually seeing. That lady that is just next to you frying chips, frying cassava, frying sweet potatoes, is also one of the biggest contributor to the health effects that can appear actually in a long run. So next time you go to that lady to buy yourself some chips, some cassava that is deep fried, or even that chicken on the street that is being deep fried, ask yourself, how many times is this oil actually being used? Key indicator, look at the oil. Once it's turning black or it's looking black in the frying pan, just tell yourself this is aldehydes. You're already consuming the disease for yourself. So if you find this very important, forward it to that next person or that neighbor of yours, that friend of yours that is not aware about this, and you could save a life in the long run.